Hi there, thanks so much for watching. Today we're going to be learning about a very important money skill called making change. Now, making change is really important because often when we go to a store and we're buying an item, we often don't have the exact coins needed to make up the price of the item. So, for example, I buy a cone for 75 cents, but I pay $1. I only have a loonie. So, how much change will I get back? What this means is that I've paid for the cone with more money than necessary. You can see that 75 cents is less than $1. So I've paid too much. Making change helps us know how much money we should get back when we pay too much for an item. And there is a special skill that we need to learn in order to figure out how much change we should get back. That skill is called counting up. Let me show you how it works. There are two really important numbers in this question. The first number is 75 cents. This is what the items cost. This is an important number, so I'm going to write it over here in this circle. 75 cents. All right, that is what the item costs. Now, another important number that I have in my question is $1. That is how much I paid the cashier for the ice cream cone. So I'm going to write $1 here in the circle that says how much I paid. $1. Awesome. Now, in order to figure out how much change I should get back, what I need to do is I need to figure out how much more than 75 cents did I pay. In other words, what's the difference between 75 cents and $1? Or I could say 100 cents. What's the difference between 75 cents and 100 cents? I'm going to count up starting at 75 until I reach 100. And I'm going to use these coins to help me. They'll help me skip count. My first step is to start at 75. So I say 75, and then I use these coins to count up. 75. If I count up by 5, which my nickel is worth, I land on 80. 75, 80. I haven't reached $1 or 100 yet, so I'm going to keep going. 75, 80. Now I'm going to count by tens. 90, not at $1 yet. However, if I bring down 10 more cents, I'll get to $1. $1. 75, 80, 90, 100 cents, or $1. There we go. Now, whatever coins are in this box here, that is how much change I will get back. That's how much the cashier will give me. So let's count how much change I got back. 10, 20, 25. I got 25 cents back. The difference between 75 cents and $1 or 100 cents is 25 cents. So how much change will I get back? I will get 25 cents back. Let's try another one. This question says that I buy a cup of coffee for $1.45. I pay $2. How much change will I get back? As you can see, the cup of coffee only cost me $1.45, but I paid too much by giving the cashier $2. So that means I will get some change back. Remember, we need to find the two important numbers in this question. The first important number is $1.45. This is what the item costs. So I'm going to put that number over here to remind me that that is an important number. Another important number is $2. That is how much I paid for the item. So I'm going to put that important number over here. Now, since I paid more for the coffee than necessary, what I need to do is I need to figure out how much more than $1.45 did I pay for the item. In other words, what's the difference between $1.45 and $2? Let me use those coins to start at $1.45 and skip count up towards $2. I'm going to start by counting by fives using this nickel. $1.45, and if I bring down this coin, I'll skip count up 5 cents, and that will bring me to $1.50. Now I skip counted by fives to get to $1.50 because numbers that end with 0, like the number 50, are easy to work with. So here I am at $1.50. I know that I land on 50 when I count by 25s. So that means I can continue to count by 25s to get up to $2. $1.45, $1.50. If I bring this coin down, $1.75. If I bring down another coin, $2. That means this is the change that I will get back from the cashier. 25, 50, 55. That means I will get 55 cents back. There are other coins I could have used instead of the coins I have here. Let me put the quarters back. I could have used dimes instead. I could have said $1.45, $1.50, $1.60, now counting by tens, $1.70, $1.80, $1.90, $2. And if I were to count up these coins, I'd get the same number down here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55. So remember, when you are trying to make change, figure out what are your important numbers, then start at the lower number and count up to the higher number. That will give you the difference and tell you how much change you should get back when you pay too much for something. Thanks for watching.